Banky special.
Yeah.
Pure deliciousness.
Pure deliciousness, man. My name is Banky, man. Everybody calls me Banky. That's the name that I got from my grandmother when I was young. I'm coming out here after 30 years. Yeah, I ain't got nothing, but I'm gonna have something because I'm rich in personality, you know, and I'm rich in love. My family love me, and that's really all that counts.
Man, I'm out here at nighttime and it is crazy.
I love that song. I would do that song 3 times a night if I could, man.
We got a concert out here.
All right, we got a birthday boy down here, 21 years old.
Birthday party,
21 years old. It's
we
9:18, you're still standing
got
up.
nuns out here naked, y'all. What in the world is going on?
Oh my God, yeah. DC.
We ready to go do this Zipline with my nieces. If I die, y'all know who point it is. I'm getting ready to go. It'll be
He's not gonna die.
Come here.
He's not gonna die.
If I die,
He's not gonna die.
y'all already know what time it is. They done talk me into it. I'm scared. Yeah. But I'm going up in there. Hold me down. We out here. All right, we on the move. Shout out to everybody out there on Team Banky Pound, man. Man, I'm still up here in Vegas. It's what? Friday morning. Got a young dude say he a TBB fan. Say he live out here in Vegas. Said he wanted to link up with me. At least just meet me and see me. So y'all know how I do. You know, I tell y'all, pull up on me. I'm going downstairs and holler at him now. Supposed to be downstairs in the casino. Go down here, see what's up. Got a little gift for him. Some little Banky Pound paraphernalia. And we gonna go see, make it do what it do, man. Show some love. You know, TBP, you know how I do. Show the love back, man. You give it to me, I give it right back to you. Got to spread the love, feed the positive, stop the negative, man. So I'm going down here and meet the young fella, man. See what we got going on. Hold up. Elevator open. Go down here and meet this young fella. Where we going to? Lobby. No, casino. Casino. Yeah, we're going down here and meet this young fella, man. See what's going on. You know? How y'all doing out there today? Where in the heck is this? Oh no, this ain't it right here. What did I say? Oh no, this ain't working here. Get off on the wrong spot. Okay, now we're here. Jesus Christ. See y'all in a minute. We out here, TBP. We meeting and greeting. Meeting and greeting. That's what we doing. They out here on the pool, man. They in this pool there. It's not playing. They out here. It's hot enough. It's definitely hot enough for them. I just passed my aunt and my niece. I don't see my sister and my half sister. I haven't passed them yet. They must be lagging behind. They must be lagging behind. We'll pull up in this casino. Alright, man, shout out to everybody out there on Team Banky Pound, man. I told y'all, man, if you're a TBB fan, man, I might pull up on you, man, but I got one that pulled up on me.
I'm out here in Vegas, man, and my man just kept hitting me up. And he said, man, he watched my show. He said he was inspired by it. He said, man, you in Vegas, man. Can I see you where you at? I told him where I was at, and here you go. He pulled up on me.
Yes, sir. TDP, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I had to holler at my boy Banky, man. You know, you can't come all the way out to Vegas and not at least meet the man, shake the man's hand.
Yeah.
Do something, man.
Hey, tell him what you do, man. Tell him why you watch me and what's going on.
Man, you know, I had to change my life around, man. You know, caught a little case in Alabama over some weed, which is crazy. You know what I mean? Like everybody else knows. But I took my talents from Alabama and brought them out here to Vegas, you feel me? So I ain't got to hide nothing, none of that. I grew it, you know what I'm saying? I don't sell it anywhere, I smoke it. You feel me? I smoke it, brew it, whatever. You know, trying to make a business out of it, man. Do something right. Something righteous.
Something righteous, man. The man trying to duck them hooks.
Yes, sir.
You know, he ain't want to take them type of chances.
No.
He ain't want to go to prison. He ain't want to be sitting up in there doing a YouTube 40 years later, talking about them. Ducking them dumpler hands. Yeah, man, they want to go through all that. And that's the whole reason why we do this show. We don't want nobody going through what I had to go through, man. I'm blessed to have made it through that. I'm blessed to have got past that. And that's why I do this YouTube, man, so people like that can get that message and do something positive, man. I'm definitely, you know, feel proud that people even listen to me and know what I'm doing, and I take pride in that, man. So yeah, man, I came out here, I had to meet them. If you out there and you close to me and you feeling my YouTube and you feeling my message, let me know, man. I just might pull up on you, man. And I got something for you, my dude, man. That's joint right there, yours, man.
What's this?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me check it out.
Yeah, see what's going on here.
Got here.
Yeah.
Okay.
That team Banky Pound right there, he owns it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You got to look up.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna use all this. I'm a businessman.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use all this.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. Yeah, you got everything up in that
Hey, man, look. He just like my uncle, man.
Yeah.
Whole thing, he missing in the care pack and a little cologne, man. He don't play.
Yeah, you got all of that up in there, man.
I'll tell you, man. I appreciate you,
Look at my family right there, man. That's my sister and my nieces, man. Yeah, that's Team Banky Pound right there. He came out here to meet me. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, I appreciate that.
Ain't no question already, man. That's what I'm talking about, man.
Nice, man.
Yeah, he out there. TVP, man, we out here, man. We pull up on me.
Hey, duck that hook, man.
Duck that hook. Y'all heard? Y'all heard him. Y'all know what time it is, man. Duck that hook, man. We out here in Las Vegas. We got my man to pull up on me. And this is how we do it out here, man. Y'all be safe, be smart, make good decisions. We out here. TVP all day, every day. We out here.
The Banky Special.
Yeah.
Pure deliciousness.
Pure deliciousness, man. My name is Banky, man. Everybody calls me Banky. That's the name that I got from my grandmother when I was young. I'm coming out here after 30 years. Yeah, I ain't got nothing, but I'm gonna have something because I'm rich in personality, you know, and I'm rich in love. My family love me, and that's really all that counts.